The fate of Florida's mask mandate ban for public schools is now in a judge's hands. It comes after yet another legal challenge to the controversial policy. Good evening, I'm Ava Van Valen. Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders tells us when we can expect the judge to make a decision.
We are going to have to wait a while for this decision. The judge saying today that it could take up to 2 weeks for him to finish his order. With that, Judge Brian Newman says he'll have a final decision by November 5. It follows a speedy process and 2-day hearing in administrative court.
I don't think I ever did it quicker than 30 days. You guys had less than half of that time, and you both managed to put on a very good cases.
6 Florida school boards are trying to overturn the mask mandate ban's key health department rule. It requires parental opt-outs under threat of financial penalty. The schools allege Florida Health issued the regulation improperly as an emergency rule and that it exceeded its authority.
Well, it's in the hands of the judge.
Plaintiff Leon Superintendent Rocky Hanna leaving the courtroom uncertain of the outcome, but saying it was a fight worth having.
This case will set precedent for other cases in the years to come. We're all about parental rights, and parents should absolutely have rights. But school districts need rights too, because we are responsible constitutional officers to protect all children from harm.
Attorneys for the state declined to comment. They argue the rule is valid. The governor touting it as protecting parents' rights, ensuring they have the final say on masking.
Let the parents make these decisions, and if one wants their kid to do, fine. If they don't, no one's saying you can't.
Either side can appeal the judge's forthcoming order, and if granted, the issue heads to district court. For now, though, attorneys saying appeal is too soon to consider.
We're certainly hoping that the judge is going to rule in our favor, and the question will be whether the Department of Health should appeal the rule.
And as we wait for a decision, the legislature prepares to return to the Capitol in November for a special session. Lawmakers are expected to address school masking in some capacity. That's after the governor said on Thursday that he wants more protections to hold defiant school districts accountable. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.